The Importance of Evaluating Websites by Catherine Keller and Tanisha Sett. Why is it important to evaluate websites? With today's current technology climate constantly changing and having the ability to access unlimited amounts of information, it is important to teach our students how to analyze and evaluate websites efficiently and effectively. Evaluating websites for authenticity is now considered an important life skill. The World Wide Web has allowed mass amounts of information to be accessed at all times. It is our job to teach children how to navigate responsibly through websites. This presentation will quickly give teachers and parents concrete ideas on how to start teaching children today on how to become a more informed evaluator of information. Just how do you evaluate websites? Ways for teachers or parents to evaluate websites. Things to look for: purpose, content, and functionality. Purpose. Start by training your students with this question. What is the purpose of this website? Have your students focus on title, headings, images, and the URL. Require students to preview the website prior to immediately reading and acquiring information. This first step will retrain students' eyes and help them begin to view information more critically. Content. Once the purpose of the website has been established, you'll want to have your students shift to what the actual content is of the website. Another important question to ask would be who is the writer of the website, and are they using resources, and is there detailed information provided? Functionality. Once the purpose and content have been confirmed, it is time to focus on the functionality of the website. Questions to ask your students to ask themselves would include the following. How easy is it to navigate the site? Is there a long load time? Is the site easy to read? By instilling these traits in our students at a young age, they will have the power to become a more informed evaluator. Additional implementation educational strategies. Acronyms to help with information literacy. Discover, define, inquire, search, collect, organize, verify, express, reflect. CRAP, currency, relevance, author, accuracy, and purpose. Tips. .gov.org and .edu are usually more credible. It is important to always be skeptical because anyone can get a .org domain. Ask, who is the author? What is the author authority on the subject? What's their agenda? Is there contact information? What is the intent of the site? Are they selling something? Do they provide evidence to support arguments? Is it mostly fact or opinion? Anyone can make a website, and authors may be biased.